Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to insert special characters in Google Docs using a Windows PC. First, open your documents at doc.google.com and place the cursor where you want the character. Next, click Insert on the top menu and choose Special Characters. A dialog box will open. Then, use the left-hand drop-downs to browse categories or use the drawing box to draw the shape of the character you need. Google Sheet will suggest matches. You can also type a search term like degree, dash, or pi. After that, click the character you want and it will insert into your document at the cursor position. Repeat as needed for additional symbols. Finally, close the dialog when you are done. If you use a symbol often, consider copying it into a small reference doc or use the Alt code on Windows for faster future insertion. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.